Welcome to More Aware Yoga, daily cosmic healing sounds practice. A self-healing practice to ensure a positive inner cycle, so all your organs working as a team and solving any inner conflict. First, activate your inner smile. Aware of your breathing, activate your dragon tail, and we're going to start with the fire breathing. Knocking the door of life with your navel, enhancing your inner fire. Count 36 times. Focus and be present. Keep counting. When you finish, rest, relax, feel warm and nice in your abdominal, in the abdominal area, the lower tantiem. Feeling your abdominal breathing. And repeat 2 more times. The fire breathing, knocking the door of life with your navel, and counting 36 times each time. Breathing only through your nose. Focus. Synchronizing your inner muscles movements. Not too fast, not too slow. Find your rhythm. Release tension, rest, relax. Feel warm and nice energy in the abdominal area. Feel the connection with the tension all around your neck and your shoulders, so release it. Feel your feet on the ground, your head towards the sky, connected with the North Star. And repeat 1 more time. Count 36 times and focus. Rest, relax, bring your hands towards the abdominal, towards the navel. Aware of your breathing, spiral there, let it spin. And get ready for the cosmic healing sound. Start from your lungs. Connect with your lungs. Visualize your left lung, right lung. Spiral your eyes, left, right, front, and back. Inhale, deep breath in, rise your arms up, and when you exhale, the sound of the lungs. As long as you can, visualizing gray and cloudy air going out, releasing sadness, depression, grief. Let it go. All the air out. When you finish, bring your hands towards your knees and rocking. Forgive, forget, let go. Spiral your dragon tail and shake it. And now fill your lungs with love. activating its virtue. Rub your hands warm and bring the smiling energy, loving energy towards your kidneys. Connect with your kidneys, left kidney, right kidney. Visualize them and move your eyes left and right a few times. Spiral. Inhale, and when you exhale, the sound of the kidneys. Hands on your knees. Forgive, forget, let go. Activate your dragon tail. Let it go. Let go any fear, phobia, trauma. Connect with the energy of the earth and charge your kidneys. Fill them with love, joy, happiness, appreciation, activating its virtue. Rub your hands warm again and bring this energy towards your liver, your amazing liver. Visualize it. Left side of your liver, right side, front and back. Spiral your eyes. Connect with your liver. Green energy, good element. Inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale the sound. Release any frustration, anger, stress, jealousy, any negative emotions from the liver. Cleaning the liver, detoxicating. When you are ready, hands on your knees. Forgive, forget, let go. Rocking your spine, moving your dragon tail. And now fill your liver with love, gratitude, appreciation. And continue now rubbing your hands warm and bring your hands towards your heart center. Connect with your wonderful heart. Visualize it left, right, moving your eyes. Connect your eyes, your mind, and your heart. Spiral, exploring, observing, and melt away any negativity, any hastiness, cruelty, impatience that goes into the heart. Arrogance. Deep breath in, hands up. Exhale the sound. As long as you can, visualizing the gray and cloudy air out. Hands on your knees. Forgive, forget, let go. Well done. Charge your heart with love, joy, happiness, appreciation. Rub your hands warm and bring it now to your spleen and pancreas. Visualize them on your left hand side. Spiral, front, back, left and right. And now the sound. Releasing any worry, anxiety, mistrust. And forgive, forget, let go. Let it go. Bring your hands towards your spleen and pancreas. Fill them with gratitude, with appreciation, gratefulness, thankfulness, and mix all these virtues of your organs into around your navel, into your lower dantian. Collect and store energy. And this is a very simple practice of the 6 cosmic healing sounds with the organs. If you can continue with the next mudra to enhance your immune system, Monkey Mudra, Heat in your crown and in your thymus gland. And change your arms a few times. Heat and change. Connecting your pineal gland, your thymus gland, enhancing the immune system. Bring your hands towards the center and open your hands in the Freedom Mudra. And repeat to yourself, I accept, I respect, and I love myself. And I can feel the unconditional love from the universe to myself. And feel it. Feel the unconditional love. Feel your heart free and follow your heart. Trust your heart. Trust yourself. Open your arms, expand your wings, the wings of your heart, and feel the rainbow aura around you. All these beautiful colors and elements shining from your organs all around you. And give yourself a huge hug with unconditional love. Spiral, moving left, right, center. And stay in your center. Find your center. And stay there. Now you can bring all this amazing energy towards your face. The best cream. And lift the corner of your mouth, the corner of your eyes up. To remind yourself to keep the smiling energy that lifts your energy up. Eyes up. You can massage your ears, your skull, and give yourself love. And that's it. Namaste. Practice every day. Thank you. Make the good feeling grow. Check out our courses, workshops, trainings, group and private sessions. myyogaaustralia.com